looking at that Yud Aleph right here, the words were, the Ashkin the Gufa, waters the body, a maskil merav chesed, which begins from the word v'rav chesed, shuhu olam nikra gufa. That's the word, I don't know what it means, olam, that's called by the word gufa. So what is this? He says, once again, if the Tesha Ashakin, who the tzaddik, so excuse me, because a maskil merav chesed begins with the word rav chesed. Now, which one is this? I get mixed up because I don't have the sitter in front of me, but one of them is from the Nusach of Moshe, one is from the Nusach of Micha. So I did look that up. So look at the very bottom paragraph. It's the very bottom paragraph. It says like this. I'm talking about here at the bottom, right? So v'inyan tikun of Rav Chesed, a nikra olam v'gufa is called by these two names. Rabbi Sharmamari Rashbi. He says, so what's this with Rav Chesed? So he says, v'hi dechatika nashishi. He says the sixth one. He chesed, the tika is the chesed of a tika. Now, what exactly this means, I'm not sure either. What part of a tika? Because here we're talking about the beard of a tika. And he said, v'chuki chafetz chesed hu. Now, chafetz chesed is the 13th one, the 13th tikkun in the tefillah of Micha. So how he gets to the sixth, that this is chesed, it's really kind of hard to understand. The way that we count it, huva rav chesed. That's the way that, according to what Moshe said, midas shishis. That's the sixth one. And here's another concept. So it's it's to a certain extent it's revealed as a result of these words, chesed olam. Previously he said the word gufa, and now he says it again. Chesed olam, dihu gufa. This is the body. The islavish be chesed dechatika, in which the chesed of atika is lodged. So, what is he saying? I'm not sure. Giving me words and ideas. This body, this idea of chesed and olam and representing body. That's what we're looking for. So what's the body? Of Inyan chesed olam. Now, what about chesed olam? That apparently said it over there. But tomorrow he says of chesed olam. So he said this is actually, I didn't look it up. This is a pasuk in Yeshaya. Chesed the ikri chesed olam. That chesed that's called by that name. V'hai ku achra gezer anpen, but this one here is a different one. Oh, you're talking about the one of zer anpen. Akasav said we look at the Tillim of it. Amarte olam chesed. That's where you see it. Yivone ad kan ein sham. Now exactly what was the meat of that, I'm not sure. So I want to go on, and we have a couple of minutes. Let's look at the next part is that Ashkin Ashakin Leginsa. So it's watering the garden. Specific, it's Niyuta Yesh Kan Girsis Nosefas, where it says Tisha Ashakin Leginsa, where he said, I guess it has a different girsa. He said that the 9 watered the Ginsa, Ashakin the Ginsa, Babira Begirsa Zu, and explaining this girsa. Then we find Mitzino Kama Urim Galaholon, as we're going to see. Let's see the first one. The first one says, Bir Ba'or Yakar, Befirish Rishon, Bir the Tesha Tikunim Shabadikta de Zer Anpin, those 9 Tikunim in the beard of Zer Anpin, a shak in the Ginsa, they water the garden, Shuhuvav Kitzvos de Zer Anpin. So now we're saying that the garden is Zer Anpin, his Vok. So it brings the shefa all the way into it. Sounds like das, so that's something like that, but he doesn't say that. So this is what the idea is that there are 9. He's talking about the beard now, or pouring it to the body. These are the 9 roots of the beard of the light of the beard of Zer Anpin. So he says, "O mashkin hu ginsa," and what did they do? Mashakin ha hu ginsa, and they're watering that ginsa. Efsher the hinder b'sheish kitzvos, that is, it's watering, bringing the shefa into the Chagat 9. The hinder sod avaria goof, and that is really the sod, a new phrase here. Well, not new, but if the bones are not the bones, but the limbs of the body, or the parts of the body in some way. Because from the last bechina of the dikna, which we saw before, that what was that phrase? The last phrase from Micho, he said chafetz chesed hu. So the question is, whose beard we're talking about, and what part of the beard? Inside beard, outside beard? What are we talking about? He said evaria gufa ki bechina achrona shebedikna. So that's what I was looking at, is that the last bechina of the beard, who his pashtos hatimuna mekasvin lamada. Now he uses what? The word tumuna. Now what is that? He's spreading the image. What? The image, the form? Mekasvin lamada, from the shoulders downward adkan, which would be the Chagat 9, let's say. Ratzon Loma. The sofa dikna, the Zer Anpin. So he zooms us in on that. Zer Anpin. Mispashi b'makom makasvin, from the place of the shoulders, that's where it starts to spread. And Bisham Mispasha Shefa Dikna, the Sheish Kitzvos, and then it goes to the the Chagat 9. Okay, that's it. Okay, do right then. Thanks for learning with me. Call Teves.